Asomba, what do you have to say about peace and the ultimate global peace by 2027, which you are working with Global Peace Network?
Oh yes, thank you very much, thank you very much, my dear, for coming for this brief inquiry. I'm very much thrilled having you. Oh yes, years back, I've subsequently worked with many international bodies, the United Nations, government agencies, churches, the Community Advocacy Alliance, on the issue of peace concept. It is my pleasure to see that each and everyone live in peace, the globe be in peace. That is why I found myself at this point in time working with GPNet. A mandate came to me recently from GPNet, and that is prompting me to see how I can contribute in ultimate global peace by 2027. This is coming because we have a lot of challenges nowadays. Peace in our communities are needed. But if you look at it, marriages are not in peace. Families are not in peace. Communities are not, churches are not in peace. The world as a whole, not in peace. So we need all walks of life to make this happen. We need to see that uh, people come together. We need to see that people meditate, people mediate, people resolute for peace. We need to see that people work for peace. We need to see that people do each and everything we do on a daily basis for peace. Without peace, there will be chaos in the world. Without peace, there won't be stability. Without peace, there will be a lot of lust. I want to call each and everyone witnessing this concept at this point in time to be steadfast, to make sure that he or she contributes in any way he can for a better world of peace, good health, and prosperity. Well, GPNet, Global Peace Network, has come to see that we fill the gap. We go to make sure that right up to the grassroots, we get, identify and nominate and certify people who are peace lovers, people who are willing to make a change, people who are willing to see that the gospel of peace move forward, people who are willing to make sure that the world become a better place to live. Thank you very much. I will get back to you for this brief interview, and I think better things will be mentioned as per what is ongoing now. Thank you very much.